Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change GoDaddy email username. So the first step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in godaddy.com and it will directly lead you to a home page of your GoDaddy website. Here you have to make sure that you are logged in into your account, and after you log in, you can see your username here on the top right corner. Click on it. Now here you can see this account settings option. Click on account settings. Now click on this email option. Now here you can see that this is my current email address, and if you want to change your email address, simply type in the new email address in this box here. Now after you are done, simply click on send verification code, and which will help to verify your account in GoDaddy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.